I'm I'm starting to get back my walking outside. Today it feels so warm outside that I had to take off my sleeveless jacket. I was wearing a sweatshirt and a shirt underneath, and my sleeveless jacket I had to take it off because it was so warm. And I noticed here on the island, in the town, the birds, they go somewhere for the winter, and then sometime in March around this time, the birds will start to come back here and start nesting, making their nests here. So that's what I noticed on the island. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're pulling out some crab from the river. They put the crab in the cage in the river. I cannot zoom it in. I cannot zoom it out. Let me see. Sorry, I can't zoom it in any further. And then they harvest whatever they catch inside the cage. Fishermen's. Just testing out my greenhouse indoor until I clean up my deck outside. I'm testing it out indoors. So apparently it's snow again, even though the snow melted a few days ago. It's snow again, about 15 centimeters of snow, and it's gonna snow again another 3 days of snow. So I have to wait till the snow melts before I can make space for my greenhouse outdoors. But I set it up indoors just for the fun of it. Why not? And I could use it in the meantime as extra shelving for my seedlings. I also buy this new light set. It came three in a package for a good price. I wasn't necessarily planning on using it for my seedlings, but I said, you know what, why not? And what I like about them, each one of them have a light switch. And I have this little fan here that I got last year that I'm helping to circulate the air. Some of the seedlings, few of the seedlings, they're starting to come up. If you can see that little green thing there. Don't know exactly what that is sprouting up. And in those two trays there, if you see the green stuff there, those are seedling also sprouting up. I'm trying to show that just because you don't have a yard and you live in an apartment does not mean that you cannot grow food. The more food you grow, it's the more you save a lot of money in groceries. They actually did a research about how much food you can grow if you grow your own food as much as you can, at least 3 seasons out of the year. If you have at least a small size garden. When I say small size, I mean like a 16 square feet garden. You can save up to $3,000 in groceries, up to. Some even more if they can grow stuff going upwards instead of growing stuff on the floor. But you just have to use your imagination and find different ways of growing stuff. If I had the mindset of just waiting till I have land or waiting till I have a house to start gardening, I would never gone this far. And even the homesteading community said that you should start doing homesteading from where you live. Whatever skills you can learn while you're at your place, you should start doing it, so that when you do move somewhere that you can fully homestead or fully garden, you will already gain some skills already. You could also put a little bit of vinegar inside the water to help prevent mold. Maybe a tablespoon of water. Okay, everyone, I'll keep the progress up to date. I'll talk to you another day. Please like and share this video. Bye.